Welcome to Compare to Win. The Best Supreme Color Protect is probably one of the most sought-after hair care solutions for those who frequently color their hair, aiming to maintain vibrancy and prevent fading while simultaneously tackling dandruff concerns, making it a dual-action product designed for the modern individual who values both aesthetic appeal and scalp health. Number 5. Keranique Scalp Restore Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Discover the Keranique Scalp Restore Shampoo and Conditioner Set, designed specifically for women experiencing thinning hair. This powerful duo works to combat dandruff and soothe your scalp. Featuring 3% salicylic acid, this treatment effectively targets flakes, itchiness, and redness. Say goodbye to scalp irritation and hello to a healthier scalp environment. Formulated with our keratin amino complex, it not only treats your scalp but also nourishes your hair. Experience a revitalized scalp and improved hair health. This set provides a gentle yet effective solution for your scalp concerns. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine for visible results. Invest in your scalp's health and unlock your hair's potential. With regular use, you'll notice a significant difference in scalp comfort and hair appearance. What we like. This set is specifically designed for thinning hair. It targets scalp issues like flakes, itch, and redness. If you're experiencing hair thinning and scalp irritation, this is the solution for you. What people say. Noticed a difference in texture and volume on first use. After 4 days of using, my hair is getting curly back, definitely noticed the volume, and significantly less hair loss during washes and hair fall. My hair feels thicker, is more manageable and has a shine to it like never before. The shampoo has a totally different texture from other shampoos I've been using. For one thing, it's very thick. I actually felt like the small amount recommended would work. Rather than squirting out an entire handful, because half the time these shampoos don't even suds up properly unless you do. I have hair past my collarbone and just a nickel-sized amount became a lovely, scented, sudsy scrub that rinsed out clean, and the matching conditioner was also every bit as wonderful. Smelled the same, gorgeous, left my hair soft, moisturized and with no signs of frizz. Number 4. Head & Shoulders Supreme Anti-Dandruff Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Discover the ultimate solution for your scalp concerns. This set is designed to bring you relief and healthy hair. Experience the nourishing power of argan oil combined with the delicate scent of rose essence. It's a luxurious treat for your hair and scalp. Our gentle, sulfate-free formula cleanses effectively without stripping essential moisture. It's perfect for those with dry scalps. With 1% pyrithione zinc, it effectively tackles dandruff at its source. Say goodbye to flakes and hello to a comfortable scalp. Specifically formulated to address the needs of dry scalps and persistent dandruff. Achieve a healthier scalp environment. Enjoy this ample size for long-lasting care. It ensures you have enough to maintain your results. What we like. Experience a gentle, sulfate-free cleanse enriched with argan oil. It's perfect for those with dry scalps and dandruff. If you seek hydration and effective dandruff control without harsh sulfates, this is your go-to. What people say. It helps with dandruff and improves scalp irritation. Leaves my hair feeling so soft and clean. Smells amazing, and my dandruff was 90% gone within using this 3 days in a row. My hair smells great and feels healthier now. Leaves my hair so soft, so clean from dandruff and smells incredible. Number 3. Head & Shoulders Supreme Nourish and Smooth Set. Discover the ultimate solution for your hair care needs. This set is designed to bring you unparalleled nourishment and smoothness. Formulated with 1% pyrithione zinc, it effectively targets dandruff. Say goodbye to dry scalp and hello to a healthier scalp environment. Our sulfate-free formula is gentle on your hair and scalp. It's also color-safe, ensuring your vibrant hair color stays intact. Experience the deep nourishing and smoothing effects. It leaves your hair feeling soft, manageable, and looking its best. This set includes both shampoo and conditioner in generous sizes. Enjoy long-lasting benefits for your hair and scalp. Choose Head & Shoulders Supreme for a complete hair transformation. Achieve the healthy, smooth hair you've always desired. What we like. This option provides deep nourishment for dry scalps while being color-safe. Its sulfate-free nature ensures gentle care. If you have colored hair and a dry, flaky scalp, this will keep your color vibrant and your scalp soothed. What people say. The sulfate-free formula is not only kind to my scalp but also keeps my colored hair looking vibrant and healthy. Its nourishing and hydrating properties provide relief from itchiness and irritation, leaving my scalp feeling calm and soothed. I've noticed a significant reduction in dandruff since I started using this shampoo regularly. The conditioner is moisturizing without weighing down fine curly hair, and it provides a nice detangling quality. Number 2. Head & Shoulders Supreme Color Protect Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Introducing our Supreme Color Protect Set, designed to keep your hair color vibrant and beautiful. Experience the nourishing power of argan oil and manuka honey. Our shampoo and conditioner feature a gentle, sulfate-free formula. It cleanses effectively without stripping your hair of its natural moisture or color. Enriched with precious argan oil and sweet manuka honey, this set deeply moisturizes and revitalizes your hair. Enjoy softer, smoother, and more manageable locks. Formulated with 1% pyrithione zinc, it effectively combats dandruff. Keep your scalp healthy and flake-free while protecting your hair color. This set is perfect for color-treated hair, providing essential nourishment and protection. Maintain the brilliance of your hair color with every wash. Get the complete care your hair deserves with our shampoo and conditioner set. Achieve healthy, vibrant, and beautifully protected hair. What we like. Protect your vibrant hair color with this specialized formula. It combines argan oil and manuka honey for nourishment. If you've recently colored your hair and are looking for dandruff protection that won't strip your color, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This shampoo is great for color-treated hair. It keeps my color vibrant and my hair soft. I love how this shampoo lathers and rinses clean, leaving my hair feeling refreshed and my scalp moisturized. The scent is amazing and it really helps to protect my hair color from fading. Number 1. Luseta Tea Tree Oil Shampoo 33.8 ounces. Discover the natural power of our tea tree oil shampoo. It's designed to gently cleanse and revitalize your hair. Say goodbye to dry scalp and dandruff. This formula provides effective treatment for a healthier scalp. Restore moisture and vitality to dry and damaged strands. It leaves your hair feeling soft and manageable. Our shampoo is sulfate-free, ensuring a gentle cleansing experience. It won't strip your hair of its natural oils. Keep your color vibrant and protected. This gentle formula is safe for color-treated hair, maintaining its richness. Enjoy a luxurious and effective hair care experience. It's the perfect addition to your daily routine for healthier-looking hair. What we like. Harness the natural power of tea tree oil for anti-dandruff treatment. It's suitable for dry and damaged hair, and safe for color-treated hair. If you prefer natural ingredients and need an effective dandruff solution that also cares for damaged or colored hair, this is a great pick. What people say. The tea tree oil is supposed to keep them away, so no more infestations for us. It smells fantastic, too. The oils help to keep my scalp moisturized and not itchy. It smells and feels great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.